As indicated by our CHILLIZ cost expectation, the cost of CHZ truly is anticipated to drop by $0.001609 over the extremely next 7 days, coming to $0.057979 by September 26, 2023. In the event that you are looking for CHILLIZ market estimate, examination or cost expectation, you most likely need to know where the cost of CHILLIZ, CHZ, may go later on. Amazingly, our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments. This value forecast is pointed toward noting the vast majority of your inquiries in opposition to prevalent thinking. Will CHILLIZ, CHZ, recover its all-time high, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking? What will CHILLIZ certainly be worth 1 month from now? Is currently the ideal opportunity to purchase CHILLIZ? Is CHILLIZ right now giving bullish or negative indications, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking? In this CHILLIZ cost expectation figure, we will process different CHZ specialized markers to foresee the cost of CHILLIZ. CHILLIZ, CHZ, value expectations. CHILLIZ financial backers truly have encountered returns of more than 5.84% on their venture this past week, sort of because of the bullish period CHZ has encountered in an unobtrusive manner. In the wake of examining the specialized pointers for CHZ, we expect a slight rectification could occur over the essentially following couple of days. Underneath you can see the CHILLIZ hourly, day-to-day, week-by-week and month-to-month cost forecasts. These forecasts plan to by and large provide you with a sign of what CHILLIZ will for the most part be by and large worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week and the following month. CHILLIZ, CHZ, verifiable cost and market investigation. The ongoing cost of CHILLIZ is $0.059588, and it is presently explicitly positioned number 72 out of all digital currencies. How much stock right now available for use for CHILLIZ basically is 7,401,879,905, with an especially complete market capitalization of $439,529,831 in a truly significant manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of CHILLIZ has especially diminished by 0.15% in an unobtrusive manner. CHILLIZ has developed at an essentially consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 5.84%. This increment really has CHILLIZ financial backers amped up for the profit from venture that they have made for the current week. Inside the very most recent 30 days, the cost of CHZ in every practical sense dropped by 8.70%. lessening its past worth of $0.065266 by $0.005678. This current downtrend explicitly implies that CHILLIZ is in plunge the present moment, which really is genuinely huge. The cost of CHILLIZ has generally dropped by 18.26% over the most recent 3 months, taking out $0.013311 from its past worth of $0.072899. Our CHILLIZ market estimates are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which for the most part examine different specialized pointers. For example, the by and large relative strength file, RSI, moving extremely normal union dissimilarity, MACD, moving truly normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market in a real sense is known to all things considered, be exceptionally unstable. Anticipating future costs of CHILLIZ is a troublesome errand, and certainly numerous in every way that really matters. Different variables impact the value in opposition to prevalent thinking. Subsequently, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you ought to do actually your own exploration. Counsel your monetary guide prior to going with any venture choices. CHILLIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2023. As we by and large recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that CHILLIZ will accomplish a most extreme cost of $0.107258. As the market truly starts to recuperate the base expected cost basically is $0.071505, and the typical cost will float around $0.089381 in an unpretentious manner. CHILLIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2024. As CHILLIZ proceeds to generally arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, CHILLIZ can accomplish a really greatest cost of $0.166845, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $0.148969 in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value CHZ can especially reach in 2024 is $0.131093. CHILLIZ, CHZ, Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we anticipate that CHILLIZ should truly see noteworthy development, as crypto earns respect across commonly numerous business areas, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Thus, the cost could reach as high as $0.226433, averaging around $0.208556. CHILLIZ could essentially see a very least cost of $0.19068. CHILLIZ, CHZ, Value Forecast 2026. With the preceded with development of for the most part capital in the crypto market, CHILLIZ could arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.28602 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.268144 in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that an auction happens, the in every practical sense, least cost expected in our forecast sits at $0.250268 in an unobtrusive manner. CHILLIZ, CHZ, Value Forecast 2027. Considering the reception of CHZ by nations all over the planet, CHILLIZ can guarantee a greatest cost of $0.345608 by 2027, with a typical cost of $0.327731 anticipated. Moreover, the very least cost for that very year could see $0.309855. CHILLIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, CHILLIZ reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto explicitly is here to remain truly. Financial backers could in a real sense see CHZ arriving at an especially most extreme cost of $0.405195 by 2028, sort of followed by a base cost of $0.369443, in spite of mainstream thinking. The especially normal cost for 2028 is supposed to be $0.387319. CHILLIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2029. Of every 2029, because of the development over the very most recent 5 years, we will see another by and large significant bull, which truly implies that CHILLIZ financial backers may for the most part see CHZ